I'm Maria, a former banker.
And I'm Rob, a former attorney. Maria and I trade options full time, and we've traded, about the last 1,500 trading days together every single day. And we made $4 million the first year that we traded options. And this is our dog Barbie here, who's trying to get us to stop. What are we going to talk about today?
Today we're going to talk about over trading, when enough is enough already.
Sure.
Every trader hits that point. Too many clicks, too many charts, too much noise. It feels like progress, but in reality it's not. That's over trading.
Overtrading doesn't come from opportunity. It comes from impatience. A good trade needs time to work. Let the theta, the delta, and volatility do their job. Options are not instant results. They move through phases. They move slowly. Give them space to develop, unlike Barbie here giving Maria space.
The market moves nonstop, every second, every tick, but that doesn't mean you have to. You don't need to chase every candle or headline. Your job is to wait for alignment,
Right.
set up, signal, and timing.
Set clear limits, profits and losses. When you hit either, stop. Let AI review the play. Protect your capital and get ready for the next setup.
Consistency comes from patience, not motion.
Mm-hmm.
Let time and volatility work in your favor. That's how professionals trade, with focus, not reaction.
Let the trades work for you.
Let the plan do its job.
It's built on data and it's paid in profits. And that's
Sweet,
sweet, sweet monies.